Welcome back to Endless Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change currency on VRBO. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time on the VRBO, just use the following options. You can create your account using your Google, your Apple, or Facebook. And by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Now, changing the currency on VRBO can be advantageous for a lot of reasons, especially if you are managing a vacation rental property that attract guests from different countries. Now, setting your rental rates in a widely recognized currency like US dollars or euros can make your property more appealing to international travelers. Guests from various countries may find it easier to understand and compare prices when displayed in a familiar currency. Now, if you're using the VRB website on the vrbo.com, I need you to hover to the upper right corner. If you have an access to the owner dashboard, I need you to click on it because this is where you can basically change your currency if you are managing multiple listings. If you don't, and if you're just simply here to see some properties, click on the my profile section here, and you would be forwarded in this section wherein, as you can see, there's no option for you to change the currency. It's basically on the default. Now, if you are using a VPN, if you're using the web, the country or region that you are using, it's going to be the same currency that would reflect on the prices, all right? Now, let's try to do that on the VRBO app on the mobile device to see if we can do it. Now, once you are here on the VRBO app, obviously you are be given a lot of information here. You can travel out to popular cities you wanted to explore. When you hover to the bottom right corner where it says account, you see that? I want you to click on it. I want you to click on the cog icon settings, and voila, your region is United States and the currency is US dollars. Now, if you change to, for example, let's look for Italy for now, you see, it would remove all search history and obviously change the currency as well. All right. It's the same thing when you change it to Mexico, to New Zealand, Portugal, and Singapore, and a lot more. The moment you change the region, the currency will change as well. And that's how you basically change currency here on the VRBO app. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.